Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set download quality in the Audible app. First let's open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions and a little overview of the app. Then we can tap on profile, and in the profile menu this is how it opens up, and we tap on the cog icon in the top right corner to open up settings. Then we tap on data and storage, and here at the top we find the download quality, and we can set it to either standard, which is the basic setting, or we can tap on high to set it to high quality downloads, which require more space, but they are higher quality, so it might be worth opting for that option. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.